Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you how to set up React application from scratch. By the ending of this tutorial, you will have a solid foundation to start building amazing React application. So before we begin, make sure we have a Node.js and npm package managers for Node. For checking of this Node.js if in our computer already installed or not. So for this one, we need to open our terminal in specific folder where we start our development. So simply our type application command node -v. So you see I have already installed Node in our system, and also npm. This npm basically package manager, so the both are already installed in my system. So for you, if you don't have installed, so you just need to go to this website nodejs.org. Simply download recommended version or cranked version. Recommended for the most user is 18.17.1 version, because this is a stable version, but you can also use 20.5.1 this version. So you can simply download and simple window setup to install this application. After installing, it's automatically a node setup. You need just required to restart your PC. After installing this system, so you need check some same command node.js -v. So now we're starting our React application because I have already installed. So I am starting from React application. We also need a code editor for your choice. You can use Visual Code or Sublime Text. I am using a Visual Code, so you can use a Sublime Text, Visual Code, and which you want. So starting our applications direct from our Visual Code, you just open your terminal of your specific folder. Just type for Visual Code this command code space dot. Our Visual Code will be open for this folder. You can also open manually. Yes, I trust. File, open folder, select your folder and just open. So you can open manually or you are using command prompt. So here's open the terminal. We just simply type our command for React application. We can go our React documentation page. So we have a great documentation for React, a simple and easy to understandable basic small function, just like a button, my app. This is our my app functions, and we can use these functions in our React application for later. You can also go through this documentation. I highly recommend it. You must use every documentation for every new technology or program or plugin, or did you want to use a new. So come to our terminal back. So here now I type command npx create React app, and now you type your application name. So application name must be in small letters. My app, my React app. So you can use a dash sign and similar, but you can't use capital or special characters in React app. So simply press enter. It's gonna error. So here's the notice npm available 8.9.1, and you need to need to update my npm package. So npm simply press I. So we figure out So we can also update npm v install this command. So we try this command. Yes, now it's installing. Our npm package now updated. Now we again use our command npx create react app and our app name. Press enter. Our npm package updated and our react app also created. So it's take a couple of minutes for installing react app. So that our react application is now installed. So I gave you the overview of react application. You can see here our folder is completed. Node.js modules here. On Node.js modules, all the dependencies are installed, and public folders our main file index which is loaded. So here's our main core folder is source, where our app.js file, index.css, index.js, logo, app css. So this is our main core file where we have code, create a components, create a files, create a routes, each and everything in source.js. So we have a package.json file. So in package.json file you can see our project. Basically this is package.json file is our project setting files, where we have all dependency defined, where we have a app name, where we have app version, we have script commands for install. So you can see if you run the application, you can just simply type the command script start. So we just type npm start. Oh yes, very important. So when install the application, we need to move our project folder. So our project folder is my react app ls. So here's our complete. So simply npm start. By default it's run on port 3000. You can also manage your port. So we can here localhost and 3000. Yes, now our react app is running. So here's our react app. So the main file is running index.js. Index.js we can import app.js file. So we go to app.js. So here's our logo, learn react, and our text here. So we just remove those all items. Just welcome. Oh, here's also header missing. Welcome our YouTube channel. So just simply save and go to here. You can see our react application running. So we have successfully set up our react application. So we also need to remove unnecessary files and create components and each and everything. For next videos, you can stay in touch with us for more updates and videos. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a basic React application and creating your first component. Also, in future videos we will explain more advanced React components, concepts and projects together. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.